Hello everyone, I am Surinder Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of JEE Advanced 2021. This is question number 1 from paper 1. Let S1 is equal to ijk such that ijk belongs to 1 to up to 10. S2 is a set I comma j such that 1 less than or equal to I less than j plus 2 less than or equal to 10. I comma j belongs to 1 to 10. S3 is equal to ijkl where 1 is less than or equal to I less than j less than k less than l. I j k l belongs to 1 to 10. S4 is I j k l. I j k and l are distinct elements in 1 to up to 10. If total number of elements in the set SR is nr, r is equal to 1 2 3 4, then which of the following statements is are true? Okay, now to solve this question, I think this first part S1 is direct, because here every element I or j or k can be chosen from the set 1 to 10 in 10 ways. So here n1 will be directly 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Okay, now coming to S2. Here if you see the relation here is that j will be greater than or equal to, I am putting I minus 1 and less than or equal to 8. My I and j can take values from 1 to 10. Now please understand, if I choose I to be 1, then the value of j will start from 1 only, because this I and j has to come from the set 1 to 10. So number of values here will be 8, because we are starting with 1 going up to 8. Now if I take I is equal to 2, then again the value of j will be starting with 1 going up to 8. So again 8 values. But if I take I is equal to 3, so here you can see 3 minus 1 will be 2. So j will start from 2. So these values will go from 2 up to 8. So there will be only 7 values. Now similarly, if I take I is equal to 4, you can check this will be 3. So we will be starting with 3 and going up to 8. So only 6 values will be there. And so on. If we keep on doing, this number will keep reducing. So it will be going up to 1 when I think we will be taking I is equal to 9. In case I is equal to 9, this will be 8 both sides. So j will take only one value. So here this n2 value will be 8 plus 7 and so on up to 1. So if we do the total, it is actually sum of first 9 natural numbers less 1. So it will be 9 into 10 upon 2 minus 1, that is 44. So far we have got A as the answer and also B as the answer. Now this S3 and S4, they are similar. In S3 they are saying I, J, K, L are following this order and they are all different. That means I just have to select 4 numbers out of 10. So here this n3 will be equal to just 10c4, and the value of 10c4 comes out to be 10 factorial upon 4 factorial 6 factorial. So if we solve it, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 upon, I can write this as 24. So 24 will cancel 8 into 9 3 times. So this will be 210. Whereas they have given 220. So this C is not correct. Okay, now this n4, if I go to S4, number of elements in this S4 will be, because here they are saying I, J, K, L are distinct elements in 1 to 10. So we have to select 10 elements from these 10. We have to select 4 elements from these 10 and we have to arrange them. So into 4 factorial. So that is it for this n4. So it will be 210 into 24. But they are asking n4 upon 12. So n4 upon 12 will be equal to 420. So answer for this question is D also. So complete answer for this question is A, B and D. So this completes the solution for this question. Thank you so much. Bye.